Zeiss. Built on clear vision. We're specialists in lenses and now experts in keeping them clean. With our lens wipes, you get quality results that start with thorough testing. We've partnered with COLTS Laboratories, a trusted leader in the optical industry, to provide reliable and independent testing to the highest standards, resulting in the award of the COLTS Performance Seal. At COLTS, our lens wipes go through 3 key tests: oily cleaning test, abrasion testing, and soak testing. The oily cleaning test validates our claims of thorough cleaning and streak-free by using light transmission measurements. Any residual dirt on the lens results in lower transmission. This is called haze gain. Zeiss lens wipes consistently outperforms competition, achieving the lowest haze gain and best cleaning performance. Abrasion testing ensures our wipes clean gently and are 100% scratch-free. The final test is a soak test. This test ensures gentle cleaning with no risk of damage to lenses or specialist coatings. By working with COLTS Laboratories, we at Zeiss continually raise the bar to provide the highest quality product, ensuring the best possible customer experience. Zeiss lens wipes, tested to be cleaner, quicker, clearer.